So one thing that I forgot to mention is that if we look at our tool pointer, so I basically have hidden the imported object, but now I'm referencing it in Grasshopper. So in other words, I have captured the tool pointer or whatever object you use to represent your tool as a mesh, and I have brought it into Grasshopper as a referenced object. So that mesh is then connected to our robots tool component, and only when you bring that mesh in as a STL file, as a mesh, and you import it into Grasshopper and then connect it to our tool component, at that point you will then see, if we turn on our robot preview again, you'll see that instead of it just being at the origin 000, the tool has now been correctly attached to the robot. So that's essentially the completion of the startup phase for loading a custom robot from a library and then correctly attaching and orienting a tool. This one is easy because it only has an offset in the Z. In the next videos, when we get into more complicated tools for the robot, we'll look at what happens if we also have an X and a Y offset.